How to install Bumble app on Android. Done with Bumble or just need to free up your space? Let's install Bumble app on your Android phone. Go to your home screen or app drawer and locate the Bumble icon. Tap and hold the Bumble app icon until option appear. From the pop-up menu, select Install. A message will ask if you want to install the app. Tap OK. We have another choice. Tap App Info, then tap Install and confirm by tapping OK. And that's it. Bumble app is now removed from your Android phone. Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, hit like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more quick app tutorials. Catch you in the next one.